श्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः। शुभं करोति कल्याणमारोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतितमोऽस्तु ते। दीपो ज्योतिपरं ब्रह्म दीपो ज्योतिजनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीपज्योतितमोऽस्तु ते। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शिवाय त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। जगदम्बे शक्तिदो जगदम्बे भक्तिदो जगदम्बे प्रेमदो जगदम्बे विश्वास देकर रक्षा करो अमृतेश्वरी माँ। Offer it at Amma's feet, Amriteshwari. Now we will sit with ourselves. Power of Dukkharta, Sukhakarta and Mangaladaya. He has been, Riddhi Siddhi and Lakshmi Saraswati we have seen in photos. Pranatosmi Dimakaram Om Suryaya. Dadishankatusharabam Kshirodarnava Sambhavam नमामि शशिनं सोमं शम्भोर्मकुटभूषणं चन्द्राय। धरणीगर्भ महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं अमृतेश्वरी मां। Now we will chant the Navagraha Stotra. Have you heard Navagraha Stotram? Yeah, we will. Navagraha Stotram is basically for Navagraha Shanti. We believe in Navagrahas, no? Yeah. Navagrahas are the sun, moon, Jova, Mangal, that is Angarakan, Budhan, Vyadan, that is Guru, Shukra, and Shani and Rahu. These two are extra. So Navagraha Shanti, we pray. And who has composed this Navagraha Stotram? None other than Iti Vyasa, Mahogita. This has come out of Veda Vyasa. He has composed so many Upanishads, Bhagavatam, ultimately Bhagavatam. So, and he is giving us the, he is giving us assurance. Vyaso Bhrutena Samshayaha. I am saying it. Me, Vyasa, I am saying it. Do not doubt. Na samshaya. He is saying when we chant, it gives a lot of benefits. Chant it anytime. Diva va ya diva ratro. Din mein bolo, raat ko bolo. Jab time hote tab bolo. Vigna shantir bhavishyati. Vigna, obstacles. Shanti. Bhavishyati. So it will put a shanti. Full stop. A shamana. Shanti can also mean, we cannot say complete full stop, shamanam. It will be reduced drastically. Then, naranari nripanam cha bhave dukkha vinashanam. Dukkha, durida will come to an end, nashanam. For, for men, women, for kings or bhritya, anybody can chant. He is not saying, anybody can chant any time. Then, aishwarya matulam. Atulya Aishwaryam, lot of Aishwarya. Aishwarya, let us not just say paisa, dhan, daulat and property. Good qualities are also Aishwarya. If we have lot of values, believe me, everything will come to us. Or our perception also will change. We are so happy, we are rich. We have Always chahiye, chahiye, chahiye is like bhikhari only, begging, want. But when we feel content, we are Raja, we are the kings, if we can curtail our desires. So the feeling of richness is actually in our mind. So Atulya Aishwaryam we will have, Arogyam Pushti Vardhanam. Our health will be Pushti Vardhanam, Vardhikula. Our health will increase, we'll pick health, we'll have good health. Graha Nakshatra Jaha, Pida. Pida is again Vedane, pain caused due to Graha Nakshatras. Grahas and Nakshatra Jaha, born out of, caused due to Jaha, Pida, Taskaragni. Taskaras are who? Kalamar, thieves. Taskara, Agni, fire accidents, all these. Samudbhavaha, Taha Sarvaha, all that. Prashamam, Yanti. Prashamam is stop, cessation. By chanting this, Yanti Vyaso Bhrute. Me Vyasa I am saying, na samshayaha, do not doubt. So we will chant this with the sankalpam. We will invoke with Amma's infinite grace. See, everything they say with Guru Sanidhyam, there is a special benefit is there. In the Guru Sannidhi there is no Muhurtam. The best Muhurtam is Guru Sannidhi. So it is again depending on our faith again. Faith is a very important factor in life, especially faith in God and Guru. Buddhi bhutam trilokesham tam namami brihaspati. Om Brihaspati. Himakundam rinanabham daityanam paramam gurum sarva shastra pravaktaram bhargavam pranamamyaham. Om Shukraya. Neelanjana samabhasam raviputram yamagrajam Chhayamartanda sambhutam tam namami Shanaishcharam. Om Shanaishcharaya Namah. Ardhakayam Mahaviryam Chandraditya Vimardanam Simhika Garbha Sambhutam tam Rahum Pranamamyaham. Om Rahave Namah. Palasha Pushpa Sankasham Tarakagrahamastakam Raudram Raudratmakam Ghoram tam Ketum Pranamamyaham. Om Ketave इति व्यास मुखोद्गीतं यः पठेत् सुसमाहितः दिवा वा यदि वा रात्रौ विघ्नशान्तिर्भविष्यति नरनारी नृपाणां च भवेदुःख विनाशनम् ऐश्वर्यम् अतुलं तेषाम् आरोग्यपुष्टिवर्धनम् ग्रह नक्षत्रजाः पीडा तस्कराग्निसमुद्भवाः ताः सर्वाः प्रशमं यान्ति व्यासो भ्रूतेन संशयः इति श्री व्यास विरचितं नवग्रह स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम. ओम आत्मारामाग्रगण्याय नमः. ओम अनंतरात्मने नमः. ओम अंतर्मुख स्वभावाय नमः. ओम स्थलीजुषे नमः. ओम मंडलवीताय नमः. ओम रासदमहौजसे नमः. ओम दिव्यस्तुकालादि सर्वावच्छेदराशये नमः. ओम सजाति विजाति स्वीय भेद निराकृते नमः. ओम बुद्धि विमृग्याय नमः. ओम षष्ठव्यक्तवत्मने ओम राजाय प्रसन्न साधिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु वेदाय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः. ओम श्रीवक्षसमायुष्यमारोग्यमाविधाचोपमानं महीयते धान्यं धनं पशुं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतं वत्सलं दीर्घमायुः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.